We're going to review the exterior angle theorem that we learned last week. This is a triangle with one side extended, creating D, an exterior angle. We know that the three interior angles, A, B, and C, have a sum of 180 degrees. We also know that C and D are a linear pair, which means they're supplementary, and their sum is 180 degrees. Notice that both the interior angles and this linear pair involve C. So if I say that 180 equals 180 because the interior equals the linear pair, and we take C out on both sides, since they have C on both sides, we're left with A plus B is equal to D. This is our exterior angle theorem. The knowledge that this exterior angle is going to be the same measure as the two remote interior angles added together. Remote interior angles are the interior angles that are not adjacent to the exterior angle that we are talking about. So again, if this was 60 degrees, if C equals 60 degrees, then we know D has to be 120 because that's a linear pair. We also know that A and B have to add up to 120 because that's what would make the interior of the triangle 180. So again, that gives me the value of A and B combined is the same as D. Let's apply that. Looking here, we have an exterior angle of 134. The exterior angle equals the sum of the two remote interior angles, which are 59 and unknown. So if I subtract 59 from both sides, I get the value of X. So X is equal to 75 degrees. Being lazy here.
I got my calculator.
Okay, let's move on to the next one, Miss Holm.
Okay.
So obviously, let's step it up a notch and let's use some algebraic expressions and what we know about solving equations to solve these problems now.
Okay, sorry.
Again, we've got the exterior angle is 13x plus 9. And it is equal to, the exterior angle equals the sum of the remote interior angles. So that's 66 and 5x plus 15. So the two interior is equal to the exterior. Combine like terms, 5x plus 81 equals 13x plus 9. Get all your variables on one side of the equal sign, subtract 5x from both sides, and that gives me 8x. Get all your numbers on the other side, so subtract 9 from both sides, and that gives me 72. Divide by 8, so x equals 9. One would think they solved the equation, they're finished, but no, let's look at the directions. Find the measure of the angle indicated. The angle indicated is angle SRQ. How do I know which angle they're talking about? Let's trace from S to R to Q. So I'm going to put my pencil on S, I'm going to trace to R, and I'm going to trace to Q. And then I'm going to see from one side to the other, there's an arc showing that this is the angle they want to know the measure of. So if they want to know the measure of this exterior angle, I would substitute 9 into 13x plus 9. So 13 times 9 plus 9 is?
Yeah. 13 times 9 is 117.
Plus 9.
126.
So the answer to the question is the measure of angle SRQ is equal to 126 degrees.
One more?
One more.
Good. Okay.
Let's do the next one.
Okay. That's it.
Okay, we'll do this last one. So it's very similar to the one we just did, where you have an exterior angle And in this diagram, all they've given us is the exterior angle.
What the heck?
Stop it.